How to stand out in a crowded affiliate marketing market. Welcome back to our channel, folks. Today, we have an exciting topic for all you aspiring affiliate marketers out there. We're going to reveal the secrets on how to stand out in a crowded affiliate marketing market. Are you ready to unleash your uniqueness and make a splash in this competitive industry? Let's dive right in. Affiliate marketing has exploded in popularity, and it seems like everyone is jumping on the bandwagon. So, how can you rise above the noise and capture the attention of your target audience? It's all about being bold, creative, and authentic. Step 1. Amplify your voice. In a crowded market, you need to make yourself heard. Imagine you have a megaphone, and you're shouting your message from the rooftops. Be confident, be bold, and most importantly, be yourself. Embrace your unique voice and showcase your personality. Remember, people connect with real people, not generic sales pitches. Step 2. Piece together your brand puzzle. Just like a puzzle, your brand needs to fit together perfectly. Identify your strengths, passions, and expertise, and let them guide your brand's identity. Stand out by specializing in a particular niche or offering a unique perspective. Be the missing piece that your audience has been searching for. Step 3. Unleash your superpowers. Every superhero has their special abilities, and you have them too. Discover your strengths and leverage them to create content that is unparalleled. Whether it's your exceptional writing skills, video editing prowess, or engaging personality, find your superpowers and let them shine. Step 4. Zoom in on your audience. To stand out, you need to understand your audience inside out. Use your detective skills to uncover their needs, desires, and pain points. Tailor your content specifically to address their concerns and provide solutions. Remember, it's not about appealing to everyone, but rather to the right people who truly resonate with your message. Step 5. Embrace eye-catching visuals. In a world of endless scrolling and short attention spans, visual appeal is key. Invest time and effort into creating visually stunning content that grabs attention. Use vibrant colors, captivating images, and engaging graphics to make your content pop. Remember, you want to be the thumb-stopping moment in the endless scroll. And there you have it, folks. Our top tips on how to stand out in a crowded affiliate marketing market. Remember, it's all about amplifying your voice, piecing together your brand puzzle, unleashing your superpowers, zooming in on your audience, and embracing eye-catching visuals. So go out there, embrace your uniqueness, and let your affiliate marketing journey take flight. Thanks for joining us today. If you found these tips helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss out on our exciting content. Until next time, happy marketing. Thanks for watching.